So you're saying that liquids are not hollow, but solids are. Okay. Okay, so some solids could be hollow. Some solids could be hollow. Liquids are not hollow. What does hollow mean? Air in the middle. Okay. No?
Yes and no.
Okay, be more specific.
In an object, nothing that's inside of the surface.
So if an object is hollow, then no matter inside the surface. Okay. If an object is hollow, then it is empty. There is no matter inside the surface. Ms. Sabaya. Okay, so when it doesn't take the shape of its container, it just stays there. It may or may not be true. So you said that what? Play-Doh? Okay. You want to take Miss Radke? When you pour a liquid, it spreads out. So let's look at a solid. When you pour can you pour a solid? Okay, so sometimes you can pour a liquid. I mean a solid. Sometimes you can pour a solid. Can you give me some examples of some solids you can pour? Miss Marthy, let's start with you. Okay. Miss Radke, another solid you can pour? Flour. Miss Gupta? Slime. Other solids you can pour? What does pour mean? P-O-U-R. P-O-U-R. I saw this. What does this mean?
Expel.
Yeah. Oh, what does it mean? It's hard to talk about it without using the word. You dump it. Okay. Okay. Miss, no? Miss Sabaya? When you dump it, it all comes out in one flow? Is that what you said? Okay. Something to add to that, Mr. Pruganen? Ooh. Then, or is that your definition? That's your definition of pour? Okay. Anything else to add to this list? We're going to revisit this later. I want to bring it to a click. I want you to think about oobleck for a minute here. Can I expel this out of a container using gravity? Look at that. So you would say that oobleck can be poured.
Yes.
So is it a solid or is it a liquid?
Could be either.
Could be either.
But I'm pretty sure it's a liquid because it's called a non-Newtonian fluid.
Ooh.
Fluids are liquids.
How do you know such things?
My dad.
What does your dad do for a living?
He's a writer.
And what are his hobbies? Is he a science? Yeah. All right, so we're talking about pouring. It looks like I can pour oobleck. I can expel it from the container using the force of gravity. So that does look nasty. So we're saying it's a liquid. Is there anyone that would argue that it's more of a solid? I can pick up this little piece of it. Anyone want to jump on the bandwagon, if you will, of being a solid, or are we all saying liquid? Okay, solid, why? Miss Marthy.
No, because it's melting and coming out. Touch it wrong. Melt. Touch it wrong. Oh, well, that's okay.
Miss Radke. Did you hear what she's saying? We leave it at 18, so I'm going to summarize what she said, and then you can pack it up. She said some parts of it are a solid and some parts of it are a liquid. I think that has evidence to support his claim that it's a non-Newtonian fluid. It doesn't behave like regular fluids. Yes? No? All right, that's all I have.